Hello, good morning. Welcome back sa JBT, kasangga sa safety at kalusugan. Ngayon, pag-aralan po natin sa pagganito yung fire safety. At so, ang fire safety ay dapat provide tayo ng providing adequate means for fighting fire. Yan ang ating dapat gawin, ano? And then, training of personnel in the use of firefighting equipment, identified emergency exits, and then identify evacuation routes, establish hot work safe for work procedure. Ang layunin natin dito to ensure fire safety on the construction site. So it is applied sa construction site. Sorry. And then, meron tayong sinasabing triangle of fire. Meron tayong heat source. Meron tayong fuel source. At then, sa left side ng ating triangle is the oxygen source. So, kapag yung tatlong yan, yung heat, fuel, and oxygen, ay present, magkakaroon po ng chemical reaction, kung tawag natin dyan, combustion o yung apoy, no? Pagkasunog. Okay, ngayon mayroon pong tatlong uri or form ng fuel, no? Number one, yung solid, yan yung bulky. Pwede rin namang dust. Pwede rin namang finely divided coal. Pwedeng wood, pwedeng paper, pwedeng cloth, pwedeng plastic, pwedeng grain, and others. So sa liquid form ng ating fuel source is gasoline, kerosene, alcohol, paint, varnish. Yang lahat na yan ay fuel source. Sa gas naman, meron tayong natural gas, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon monoxide, at maging propane. Yan po ay mga fuel sources na maaaring pagsimulan ng chemical reaction or ng fire. Ngayon, ang titingnan natin kapag pinag-uusapan is gas or fuel na in the form of gas. So, ang titingnan natin yung flash point. Ano yung flash point? Ito yung lowest temperature at which liquid fuel gives off flammable vapor. So, yung flammable liquid gasoline, ang flash point po nito is negative 42.8. Maaari sumiklab na yan. Yung acetone is negative 20, yung kanyang flash point. Okay. And then, pangalawa, itong flammable liquid, a liquid having a flash point below 37.8 degrees Celsius. Ito po yung isopropyl alcohol. 12 degrees po ang kanyang flammable liquid flash point. And then, yung combustible liquid flash point, ito yung ating kerosene, na ang kanyang pong flash point is 38.8. So, dyan pa lang, no? Halos room temperature lang, ang kerosene sisilab na eh. Corn oil, nasa 254. So, yung combustible liquid, ang tawag natin dyan, a liquid having flash point at or above 37.8 degrees Celsius or 100 degree Fahrenheit. So, the lower the flash point, the more dangerous the substance is. Yan po yung conclusion natin dito. So, dapat mag-ingat po tayo and keep safe. Dito lang muna tayo. Thanks. Bye.